Hello everyone. What we are doing overcurrent protection test of our F35 amp ESC for our X60 drone. Yeah, we can see MN3510 700 kV motor with 13-inch propeller MS1302, and we can see F35 amp ESC. And what we are going to do in this test is we are going to check whether the ESC is going to limit the current at 10 amps. Yes, we can start. Now we are going to increase the throttle from 0% and to see there is current limit till 10 amps. You can see around 2 amps running right now, 3.3 amps, 4.5 amps, 5 amps, 6, 7.5. Now we can see at 9.5 amps, 9.9. Now we are turning the knob, but still current is not increasing and motor speed also is not increasing. Yeah, this shows that our speed controller is limiting to 10 amps.